The Amazon rainforest, on the brink of a climate catastrophe. The Amazon, a majestic ecosystem, is facing an alarming crisis. As the world's largest tropical rainforest, it is a sanctuary for biodiversity and a vital player in regulating the Earth's climate. But here's the catch. It's teetering on the edge of a point of no return, where the damage caused by deforestation and global warming may become irreversible. The upcoming COP30 in Belém, Brazil, shines a spotlight on this critical issue. Researcher Giancarlo Espinosa from France's IRD and the Science Panel for the Amazon provides a sobering assessment. The Amazon, spanning 9 countries, is home to over 34 million people who rely on its resources and the mighty Amazon River. Yet, it is this very lifeline that is under threat. Pope Francis, in his post-synodal apostolic exhortation, envisioned an Amazon teeming with life and beauty. But the reality is starkly different. The southern Amazon basin is already witnessing the transformation of its lush forests into savanna-like landscapes due to severe droughts. The northern regions, meanwhile, face extreme floods, all while deforestation continues unabated. But here's where it gets controversial. Scientists have identified a critical threshold of 40% deforestation as the tipping point. Yet, the Amazon has already lost between 17% and 20% of its forest cover, an area the size of France and Germany combined. And this is not all. Global warming is at its worst in the past 2 decades, further exacerbating the crisis. The implications are far-reaching. The Amazon, often dubbed the green lung of the Earth, has seen its carbon absorption capacity significantly diminished. Moreover, the region's water cycle is in disarray. Espinosa reveals that the Amazon's trees return half of the rainfall to the atmosphere, influencing not just its own ecosystem, but also distant regions like the tropical Andes and beyond. As COP30 approaches, the Science Panel for the Amazon proposes a crucial first step: national policies to halt deforestation. However, Giancarlo Espinosa reminds us that the forces driving deforestation are global, particularly the soy and gold industries. This raises the question, are we doing enough to address the root causes of this impending disaster? Scientists also advocate for the protection of indigenous territories and the cessation of infrastructure projects that disrupt the Amazon's delicate balance. These proposals echo the demands of indigenous leaders from the Amazon basin, who seek direct access to climate financing at COP30. As the world watches, the fate of the Amazon hangs in the balance. Will COP30 be a turning point, or will it be too little, too late? The answers may lie in the collective actions we take today. What do you think? Is the world ready to make the tough choices necessary to save the Amazon and, by extension, our planet's future?